Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name red color, green color, yellow color, black color, blue color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color, the alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for cow, and use yellow color, the alphabets of C. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use black color. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use blue color. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O and E1, the numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use green color, TW2, the numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use yellow color, THRW3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use black color, FOUR. Kids now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use blue color, FIVE5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw a square, the shape of a square, and use red color. Kids now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use green color. Kids now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use yellow color. Kids, now draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use black color. Kids, now draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use blue color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.